Hey friends, if you wish to fix Ntoskrnl.exe BSoD error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check for updates, and how would you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update device drivers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on advanced options. Select optional updates and install them. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is memory diagnostic. So search for memory and go to the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on restart now and check for problems. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.